Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a review for you all. So recently I got my hands on the Smitten boxes. So these are their trial boxes which retail for your 199 rupees, wherein you can get 6 products from Smitten. So this is how the packaging looks, and this is how the box from inside looks. All of these products came in bubble wrapping, but I did open them so I could try them out before I could give you guys a detailed review of these products. And this is the extra, the 10% off coupon that they give along with their boxes. And this is the box, and I ordered 2 boxes. So one of them came in the cute packaging, and the other one came in just in like this box. And this is how this one looks. Okay, all the bubble wrapping is falling apart, but yeah, this is how this one looks. So I'm gonna give you guys a run through of the different products that I got from Smitten, and I'm gonna simultaneously give you guys like a quick review of these products. So to begin with, I have the aloe vera gel from Saint Vivian's. So this is the brand that I've always loved, and I have used their moisturizers for I think almost an year, and that one was really amazing. So when I saw this in the sample options that they had, I thought of trying them. So Smitten gives you an offer. You can invest 199 rupees and get in 6 products from them. These 6 products would be trial sizes so that you can test the product before you invest your money into it. Because not all products are cheap, and investing even 500 bucks is something that you need to think through and invest. So in 200 bucks you get to try out 6 products, which is amazing, and you can choose and buy the products that you really like. So this is the aloe vera gel, and this has vitamin E in it, and this is suitable for all skin types. I used this like I think 3 or 4 times, and it worked really fine on my skin, which is a very oily skin type. So this one worked really well on my skin. The second product is the Sage Apothecary. I am really butchering this. Okay, activated charcoal and tea tree body wash, and this one is a 30 ml bottle. It's like a really cute sample size which you can travel with if you're traveling, or even if you just want to try out a new fragrance before you buy an entire bottle. This one is just amazing. This one has charcoal in it, which is wow. Charcoal is like the magic ingredient that helps you, and your skin so much, and charcoal for your body is just amazing. This is not very thick, as you can see. It's not very thick, and it is black in color, which is very cool for a body wash, because I have seen like light colored body washes a lot, but a black body wash is something that I found very cool. So the third product is the Saint Vivian's Multani Mitti lotion. So a Multani Mitti lotion is something that I really love because it's easy to apply, and then 20 minutes and you're good to go. You don't have to sit and mix the Multani Mitti with water or rose water or aloe vera, make the concoction, apply it. That's like a tedious task, which I don't like. So this is something that I am obsessed with and I'm using. So apart from that, I also got another aloe vera and grapeseed skin brightening aloe vera gel from Twakt. So I've heard a lot about this brand in general, like from a lot of Instagrammers and YouTubers, and I have been really intrigued. So I'm trying this one out as well. You can look out on my Instagram for like mini reviews of these products when after a month or so, when I would be like completing these products, I'll be giving mini reviews on my Instagram as well, which you can check out. So this one is another thing that I'm yet to try because I'm already using one aloe vera gel. So I just want to finish this up before I start trying this one. So you can check out for this review on my Instagram. Apart from that, I also got a Moroccan argan face wash from Saint Vivian's. As I told you, I am a really big fan of this brand, and I wanted to try their other products so that I can invest my money in it. And this was something that I was pretty intrigued, because a face wash with Moroccan oil in it is just going to make my skin glow like anything. So I wanted to try this one out as well. And the last product is this Anur body scrub. So this was like a disappointment packaging. So I expected this packaging to be a little bit more. Like the amount of scrub that came in it was like too little for my personal liking. I was like, at least if I'm paying this much, I should have gotten a bit bigger sample size as compared to what this is, but you know, sometimes that happens and it's okay. So out of 6 products, 1 was a bust, rest 5 were like must. So now let's jump into the second box. So for the second box, I decided to order the oil-free face moisturizer from Mamaearth. So if you've been following me, you know that I'm a very big fan of Mamaearth and their products, and this was something that I was yet to try, and I decided to get this in the sample size. If this works out, I'm gonna get a full size of this product as well and add it to my Mamaearth collection. Do let me know in the comments down below if you want to see my entire Mamaearth collection and detailed review of every single product that I own from their brand, because I have a lot of those and almost all of the products are really good except for a few ones. So if you want to know detailed reviews, do let me know in the comments down below. So this one was like a win for me. Apart from that, I decided to order 2 nail paints, because who doesn't like nail paints? And nail paints is something that I am really obsessed with, though my manicure is currently like trash. But yeah, I will now try these ones out and let you guys know how this one looks on my nails. And these both are from Bonjour Paris, and they originally retailed for some 95 bucks. So both of these itself make the price of this entire box, which was great. And I ordered a grey and a transparent nail paint, because you cannot have enough of transparent nail paint. You just need to touch your nails up and that will be your best friend. Apart from that, I decided to get a rose water, which came in this really cute packaging, which I was like, wow. And you can just, you know, spritz it on your face when you're on the go, or have it in your purse or bag, and this smells amazing as well, which is the best thing about this one. Apart from that, I decided to try the Twakt Sandalwood and Turmeric face mask, which came into this packaging. And if you would see, I've already used it like twice, which makes me want to give you guys the detailed rundown of this product. So this one controls your oil really well. Also, this one worked on my acne. So if you see, I have a few spots here and there. So I applied this twice, and I had like more than this on my forehead. So this was just perfect, and it, you know, just cleaned my skin in one go. So this is an amazing product, and I'm definitely gonna get a full size of this one. Apart from that, I got this Sage Apothecary, which the brand name that I really cannot pronounce, lip balm. And this was a free product in my second box. So when I ordered my first box, they gave me 6 trial points, and after which I could purchase the second box from those 6 trial points by paying $1.99. And when I was purchasing, this lip balm was free. So I decided to get this lip balm as well, because why not? 7 products in a box. Who says no to that? And the last thing is, I by mistake ordered another Anor, aloe vera gel, which I haven't tried, but the same issue with the Anor packaging. Both of these are really small bottles for your trial size, and I feel that this is like too tiny for the amount that you're paying, but you know, it's okay. 1 product out of 6, you know, that's completely fine. So both these Anor products were a fail, but rest everything was just amazing. So now you guys would ask me, how can you guys order Smitten boxes? So Smitten has an app. You can just download the app on your phone, and then as soon as you register, you will get 6 trial points. I'll also leave my code somewhere in the description down below, and even on the screen somewhere, so that you guys can, you know, enter my code while you are registering, which is a win-win for both of us, because you get 6 trial points, I also get 6 trial points. So I can try out more products and give you more reviews. And apart from that, I was pretty disappointed with the second box, because it didn't come out in a cute packaging like the very first time, but that's completely fine, you know. Packaging keeps changing, and that is, like, you know, a personal liking point. So what I was telling you guys is how you can order Smitten boxes. So you just have to download the app, and then you just need to check out the trial section products. I will show it to you guys here how that looks on the app. And once you open the trial section boxes, you have a range of products. You get to choose the 6 products that you want to try, and once you've chosen those products, all you got to do is to place the order, pay $1.99, and your box is delivered to you within, I think, 2 or 3 days at the max. Though I stay in Delhi, so maybe the delivery speed was pretty good for me. You guys need to check that out with your cities, but I think within a week they do deliver your products, which is a win-win. So I hope you all like this video, and I hope you all like my unsponsored review of the Smitten boxes. And if you guys like this video, make sure to like it. Do let me know in the comments what else do you want to see on my channel, and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon as well. And until next time, take care of yourself. Bye.